Let us take a look at this lesson 53, page 4. We're going to read the sentences, and as how you have been doing, you rewrite it on the given lines, and then you match it to its correct picture. But today I'm going to show you another way of how it can help you so that you can read the sentences a little better. Okay? This is just an idea of what you can do at home. You don't have to do it, but you can give it a try. You can make little cards with words. With the words that will make the sentence. Words that make the first sentence. You can scramble them and you can read one by one. So you can begin with any one. The first one says ant, ant. You put it on one side and then you grab another one, and this one says stand, stand, stand. When you see this at the end, it means that they're going to ask you a question. So it's a question is when you have to give an answer. Then you grab another one, Andy, Andy. And the last one says did, did. Now that you have read all the words, now you are familiar with them. So now you can take a look at the book and see how the sentence goes, and you form the sentence using these words. The first word begins with this, so that's what you're going to put first. Here you choose this word first. Then you look at the other words, and that's how you're going to set it on the table or wherever you have it, okay? On the floor or on the table. And then there you have your sentence. Then you can practice reading it using the words that you have already seen. Did, did, Andy, Andy, ant, ant, stand, stand. Did Andy ant stand? Now you can look at the pictures and you find Andy and you write your correct answer, which is the numeral 1, okay? Did Andy ant stand? Let us take a look at another example. Here I have another set of cards, so I can read the first word, and it says feeds, feeds. I grab another one. Rat, rat. And the last one says fat, fat. So I have those 3 words. Now I move into the book. This is the numeral 4, and I look at how the words are set. And I come here and I set them as how they are in the book, like this. This one, then this, and this is the last one. Okay, now we have the sentence. Now we can practice reading. Fat, fat, rat, rat, feeds, feeds, fat rat feeds. Then you go to the pictures and you match it with its correct numeral, which is the 4, fat rat feeds. This gives you an idea of how sentences are being formed using words. Okay? Just to give you an idea. You can practice this at home with papers. Okay? Now you can complete the work on this lesson.